So hey family, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Jason. How y'all doing? Y'all doing all right? Check in. Y'all doing all right? Okay. Your girl feeling better. She doing all right. She been sewing her heart out with this baby stuff. I'm almost done, as you can see it on the back of the table over there. And I will be so glad when I am, which is going to be probably tomorrow. I am putting on the last of the skirt to the robe because I am finished with the top part. And I'll share a little bit of it with you guys, but not right now. I just wanted to come to you guys and hop in for the weekend and see how y'all was doing, checking in, making sure y'all okay. Y'all okay? Y'all okay? All right, good. Well, what I want to share with you guys is my next project, and it is going to be a quick one, okay? At least I'm going to try to make it quick because I want to wear this fit real soon. And I'm sewing again, so this is not an upcycle. I haven't been able to do any of that or anything since I started working on this baby stuff. So, with that said, what I'm working on is a jacket and a pair of pants. Okay, really easy. I'm using Mimi G style, 8177, and my supervisor is down here eating thread, and now you're choking on it. Winston. Yo, just like having another child. Anyway, let me share with you guys. I am doing the coat, which is E. Yeah, I'm doing the coat. No sleeves, no pockets. Well, no, I take that back. I'm going to do the pockets. And this has several pieces to it, okay? But your girl ain't trying to do all that. So, she done broke it down. I was looking at it and I broke it down, y'all, because it had interfacing to fabric, all of that stuff going on in there. And I ain't trying to do all that because I'm trying to wear it for the summer times. I don't want no interfacing or nothing. I'm just going to do a 5/8 of an inch seam around the armholes, around the collar, around the flap of the opening of the jacket, because I ain't got time to be trying to sew no 100 pieces just to make a jacket, okay? Okay. So, it has, let me see if I can find it. Just to make this jacket, let me show it to you again. This one right here with the no sleeves. Here's a front view. And here is a back view right here. E. Okay. So E requires, let me count it. E requires, let me see. E vest. 1, 2, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 22, 23. Okay. Y'all caught up yet? Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces. I ain't got time. So your girl is going to cut it down. She's going to take all that interfacing out of there. And she going to cut it down to 3 pieces. Because she even going to take the back, which is 2 pieces. And then you have the 2 sides, which make it 4 pieces. And then you have the pockets. Okay? And I can't do it, y'all. I can't do it. I can't. It's too much. So, anyway, one day I will make the complete outfit, but not today. Okay? So, yeah, I took it down and I broke it down to 3 pieces. Okay? Because I'm going to sew the back on the fold. So, I don't have to sew 2 pieces and then sew down and back seam. I don't want a back seam like this one. I don't want this back seam. I just wanted 1 piece, which will in turn, when you turn around, you'll see these 2 pieces. I'm not using the flaps, okay? I may install the pockets and I may not. I'm not sure about that. But that would make it add on like 2 pieces, because, well, more than 2 pieces, because you got to take the pockets, cut out 2 pieces per pocket. Okay. And I don't know. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and I ain't trying to do 7 pieces. I'm trying to do 3, and that's what I'm going to do. So no pockets. We just eliminated. We just solved the whole situation. Okay, and then I am going back to our wardrobe new look that we started. And, we already made the skirt. So I am going back and I'm going to make these pants. 2 pieces. So all in all, with 2 whole patterns, 2 different ones. I'm using my new look from Hobby Lobby, 99¢. I'm using 67.30. Okay, and we're making these pants right here. I want them to be wide leg. I might change up the band. I don't know. But if I do it with elastic, there is no band. Just fold it over, stay stitch it, and then, go in and do your other stitching if you want and put the elastic in there and do it how you do it, okay? So I may just do that, but it's just 2 pieces to the pair of pants and hemming and, just doing that. I'm going to try to make them look like they came out the stove. I'm going to try to do some serging. I'm going to try to do some sewing, but that's what I have in mind for my next project, is using this jacket and these pants and to make the outfit. And here is the fabric that I'm using. Now, I showed this in another video. I think it's like 5.5, maybe almost 6 yards. Now, I'm not gonna do it in is this horizontal? Horizontal. I want it vertically. So I'm gonna have to take the fabric off, which is, this way right now is horizontal. So I'm gonna have to take it and do it this way and fold it in half and then cut it and match up the stripes. Is it gonna work? I don't know, but I don't want to waste no fabric. Even though this was only $2 a yard, I still don't want to waste it. So yeah, that's what I'm working on this week. That's it. I do have another project coming up, but I'm not going to share that just now because I don't know how soon I'll be able to get into it, because my granddaughter is due in a couple of weeks. Well, yeah, 2 weeks. So just getting things planned with my daughter and stuff like that. But anyway, y'all, I want to say thank you to my new subscribers who have come on aboard to the family. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And welcome back to those who have been subscribed for quite some time, since the beginning. Those who, leave the comments, those who hit that like button. Y'all be hitting that like button. It's on and popping, okay? Your girl appreciate every tap that you tap on the phone. Every tap on the phone, every tap on the TV. I appreciate you, okay? Every comment that is typed into it or spoken into it, I appreciate all of it, because it helps our channel grow. And that's what we want to do. We ain't on YouTube just to be on YouTube. We on YouTube because we want to grow. And hopefully somebody want to make some money. I don't know if it's going to be me, if that's my blessing. But if it's not, I'm just going to keep on making videos, y'all. Anyway. So with that said, I wasn't going to hold you guys long. I just wanted to let you know that I am still here. And I'm working on a new project. And I will probably finish this tomorrow and then reveal it, because I'm not going to take you through the process of watching me sew it. I may give you a little background, like, right now I've already cut out all the pattern pieces and I've shared with you what I'm going to be doing. So I've cut out all the pattern pieces, and I might come back with a little picture of me with the pieces laying out, and then another picture of me cutting. Okay, and then a couple of little bit ins and outs of me sewing it, and then the reveal. So I'm not trying to hold y'all here all day, because I'll be looking at the algorithm too. Okay, and I'll be looking at my statistics, should I say, my analytical thingies. Yeah, I'll be reading all that. So I know when y'all watching, how much you watching, when you skipping. I know all of that. So with that said, you guys, I still appreciate you. Okay, because if you watched it a little bit, watch it past at least 1 minute so I can get some watch hour time. Okay? Okay. So with that said, once again, for the 15th time, I'm going to let y'all go. I hope you are enjoying your weekend. I hope you're having a happy Saturday. That's what day it is as I'm recording this on a Saturday afternoon. It's probably about 6 o'clock right now. And yeah, I am, let's see. Here's some of the stuff I've already finished for my granddaughter. Okay. One blanket here and another blanket here that I did. And I have a mat for her. And yeah, now I'm working on the, what do you call these things that go on the car seat? The straps that go on the car seat thingy. To hold the seatbelt in. Now I'm covering those. That's what I'm doing to them. I'm not making these. I'm covering them. And the pillow, where's the pillow? The pillow is sort of done. Hold on. Let me give y'all a brief little look at the pillow. Okay, so right now I am attaching the fringe to the pillow. Okay, so yeah, we getting somewhere, y'all. We getting somewhere. Nice little size pillow for my granddaughter. So yeah, there it is. I'm attaching that. Right now I have it tacked in the spots that I wanted to go on. And so yeah, and here's a sneak peek at the robe. Almost done with it, just so y'all can see. It's coming along pretty good. Got the sleeves and everything on. Now I just need to put the bodice on. I think I was showing in a video how I did the sleeves, but I'll show that video at another time. And yeah, but first time doing piping. So I think I did pretty good. So that's how the bodice is looking, with the collar and everything going around, with piping as well. So yeah, your girl been busy. She been sewing. She been doing what she need to do. And this is the one part. Let me see. I think it's one part on here I have to close up because I took it back out because I didn't like the way it was flowing. So I got to go in and finish that up. But otherwise, you know, I really do like it for her, and the belt is done. I just need to put the skirt on. So that's what I'm doing, and that's what's been keeping me busy outside of being sick. So I didn't have the energy to you know, complete it when I should have. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing, y'all. And yeah, so talk to y'all in the next video. Have a great weekend. Love y'all. Be safe, be blessed.